Hello and welcome to JSetD. Just remember to subscribe. Today's review is on this handy tool called the man plow. Helps your back out a lot. I'm going to teach you how to use this man plow. First, you got to pop this pin right out. Of course, it doesn't come together in the box. This one's already built, but we'll take it apart and then put it back together. Take the pin out, slide the pole up, slide the spring back right up, the white cap, slide it up, slide the shrink wrap up. There it is.
Probably, yeah.
So now putting it together, the white cap goes on the bottom that you saw there. You slide the shrink wrap. Now put the white cap on top. Slide the spring back on top of the white cap. Now you slide the pole back in, but you have to align it with one of these holes. So you just press gently down, that way your shrink wrap is nice and tight, and slide the pin right in. That's it. 1, 2, 3. And this is the way you use it. It helps you on your back by keeping you straight up. You don't have to bend over when you're using the shrink wrap. This is great to wrap furniture, great to wrap pallets. Trust me, it is awesome to wrap pallets with this tool. You get to wrap it faster. And you get a nice tight finish, as you can see here. Subscribe.